Hello everyone, myself Professor Shinde Nishikant from Sitabai Thite College of Pharmacy, Shirur. In this presentation, I am going to discuss pinacolon rearrangement reaction. These are the learning outcomes. After watching this video or presentation, you will able to know the reaction, its mechanism and application. Index, statement, reaction, mechanism and application. Statement of pinacolon rearrangement. The conversion of pinacol, that is 1,2-diol or glycol, to their corresponding ketone or aldehyde in the presence of dilute mineral acid is known as pinacolon rearrangement reaction. For example, 2,3-dimethyl 2,3-butanediol treated with dilute mineral acid, that is 30% H2SO4, and then heated to form 3,3-dimethyl 2-butanone. This is the reaction, that is 2,3-dimethyl butane 2,3-diol treated with 30% H2SO4 and heated to form 3,3-dimethyl butane 2-ONE, and there is a formation of water molecule. Then its mechanism involve following step. First one, protonation of OH group to form oxonium ion. Then next, second, loss of water molecule to form carbocation. Then third one, 1,2 shift of hydrogen alkyl or allyl group to form more stable cation or rearranged cation. And last step, fourth one, loss of H plus, that is proton, to form product. Step 1, that is protonation. In the first step, pinacol, that is 2,3-dimethyl 2,3-butanediol on protonation gives oxonium ion, that is intermediate first. Then in step second, loss of water molecule to form carbocation, that is intermediate first, loses water molecule to form carbocation, that is intermediate second. Then in third step, shifting of CH3, that is methyl, to electron deficient carbon, that is intermediate 2, the CH3 group, that is methyl group, shifted to carbocation, that is carbonium ion, to form intermediate 3. Then next, in the fourth step, loss of proton, that is H plus, to form product, that is from intermediate 3 there is a loss of proton, that is H plus ion, to form pinacolon. In this way you are getting pinacol to pinacolon. Next, reflection spot. Question: what are the application of pinacolon rearrangement reaction? From the last slide we are getting mechanism of pinacolon rearrangement reaction, that is we are getting pinacol, that is 2,3-dimethyl 2,3-butanediol converted to 3,3-dimethyl 2-butanone in the presence of 30% H2SO4 and again heating to form 3,3-dimethyl 2-butanone, that is our final product, that is our pinacolan. Next, application of pinacolan rearrangement. This extension of pinacolan rearrangement has a synthetic application, that is example synthesis of cycloheptanone from amino methyl cyclohexanol, which in turn is obtained from cyclohexanone. This is the reaction: cyclohexanone treated with NaNO2. Before that, reduction happens NaNO2, and in the presence of HCl you will finally get cycloheptanone. These are the references. Thank you for watching my video presentation.